Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to open a new account on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and then go ahead and type in temu.com in the URL box. Also make sure that you are logged in. Soon after you get to the main homepage of temu.com account, from the main homepage, go to the upper right corner and click on the sign in/register button. Now you will see this interface where you can simply go ahead and enter an email address or a phone number to sign up for Temu. You can also choose other ways such as Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or X. In this video, I'm going to choose the email or phone number option, so go ahead and type it down in the text box. Go ahead and type it down and click continue. Now, it'll guide you through the sign-up process. On the next page, it'll prompt you to enter a password. Make sure to create a password that is strong and then click on register. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create a new account for yourself on Temu. And that's it. You have now successfully registered a Temu account. You can now be ready to explore the wide selection of products from Temu. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.